Good morning, students. Today's Monday, November the 11th, and this is what we're going to have going for the week. I could be wrong on the Thursday, Friday. It may be flipped for you. I'll have to. You'll see. We're either going to do the lab on Thursday um, as kind of a demonstration, and then a watershed reading on Friday, or vice versa. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to do. Basically, it is a reading, so there's going to be some slides that you look through, some reference material, and then you're going to answer um, through basically in Canvas basically it's a quiz where it's a not a fill in the blank, but it's kind of like an essay where you just answer. Maybe you're defining what a watershed is. You just basically type it in the text box. So anyway, there's 21 questions, I think. So anyway, let's move on to the next slide. Students, this is our learning target for the day. So students will be able to explain, describe how watershed, groundwater, and surface water are related. So that's basically what we're doing today. This is the actual reference material. So this is kind of a reading here. Water Everywhere is the first one. The next one is here, and I don't know what it's titled because it's cut off. Um, and then there's actually a third one over aquifers. Um, anyway, you're reading over that information and you're going to answer some questions. Also, too, this is um, the rivers here in Texas, and this is where we are right about here, which is Magnolia. That's why I have that arrow there because it's not included. And this will help you answer some questions. One of the questions is, what are the four major rivers near your area? Um, and then this is a picture of the major watersheds. We're actually in the San Jacinto, which is a minor watershed. Anyway, you're going to answer some more questions using this slide as well. And that's all the slides. So basically, where you'll start, and I will show you that real fast. So we were just here with the reference material, and this is just a bunch of slides, uh, 6 or 7 slides. Questions are going to be right here. So you just click on this, and this is basically set up as a quiz. I'll click on it just to show it to you real quick. Preview it, I guess. Taking a little while. Anyway, this is basically set up as a quiz, and like I said, there's 21 questions. So you define what saturated zone is, and you just type it in here. And you go on to the next question. And there are, like I said, about 21 questions for you to answer. And that's all that you have to do today. So hopefully you understand that. Again, the answers to this will be in that slide presentation where this video is. It'll help you answer those questions. And we'll see you soon.